Hello, I am Michelle Myers, National Trainer for Levolor Kirsch. In the following session, you will learn about our Levolor Custom Drapery category. Windows give life to a room and should reflect who the customer is with a quick glance. To achieve this, Levolor introduces our Custom Drapery program. Unlike ready-made draperies, Levolor Custom Draperies are created to the customer's specifications so that the treatments fit the windows perfectly. To create a luxurious look, Levolor offers the following at no additional charge: fullness, privacy liners, double-turned and weighted bottom hems, fabric-covered headrails on valances and cornices, and matched pattern designs for a seamless visual flow. Plus, they are easy to install with pre-pinned draperies to eliminate any additional measuring, and board-mounted valances and cornices that are pre-styled and ready to hang. With Levolor's designer style made easy, our worry-free 1-2-3 step process can guide customers towards the perfect window treatment that will allow their personal style to flourish. In this training, we will walk through the 3-step selling process of helping the customer find the perfect window treatment. The 3 steps are: choose your fabric, choose your drapery style, and choose your Carefree options. Additionally, we will cover cleaning, measuring, competitive advantages, and using the Levolor Custom Drapery book. The first step when choosing Levolor Custom Draperies is selecting the fabric. We have made choosing a fabric very easy for the customer. Our signature collections, coupled with our solids, offer endless options. Each collection features a signature print, a companion print, and coordinating solids, making it easy to create unique looks. The signature print can serve as the foundation for the room. It sets the tone for the space and pulls all of the colors together, creating a personal design statement. Keep in mind that while a signature print can create a focal point in a room, it can also be used as an accent throughout the space. The companion print fabric is a coordinate that either stands alone or accentuates the signature print. Frequently, the companion prints are mini prints, stripes, plaids, or multicolored textured fabrics. Levolor has conveniently grouped coordinating prints, patterns, and palettes in easy-to-shop decor styles to make it simple to create that designer look. We've also assembled a complementary collection of solids in every hue for a more subtle statement. Fabrics are conveniently grouped in the following easy-to-shop styles of traditional, eclectic, casual, and contemporary. The first collection is traditional. Traditional is inspired by pushing formal to new limits. Striped and floral patterns with warm, rich tones offer a fresh look at this classic style. Timeless colors like reds, golds, and blacks that are always evident create an undeniable presence. Classic, elegant, refined style is beautifully complemented with these patterns. The traditional collections are Princeton, Barrington, Rothschild, Aristocrat, Bradford, Windsor, Sussex, Ascot, Devon, and Wellington. The next style is eclectic. Eclectic is inspired by harmony between a mix of eras and genres. Global elements of art and furniture from different values all mixed together here. Warm spice tones perfectly matched with cool blues and greens create an inviting atmosphere because everything and everyone fits in. Incorporating distinctive elements from different styles, Eclectic style is exhibited in the following collections: Brennan, Monaco, and Morocco. Our third fabric category is casual. Casual is inspired by and advocated for being a little more laid back. Featuring calming patterns with colors ranging from delicate pinks to sturdy blues, natural and earthy feelings elevate the room to anyone's level. Casual encompasses a relaxed, comfortable, and welcoming style. Collections featuring casual style are the following: Rosemead, Palm Beach, Hamptons, Pashmina, and South Beach. The fourth fabric style is contemporary. Contemporary is inspired by purpose. Every element has a reason for being, giving the room both a fresh look and logic. Clean lines and geometric patterns and shapes create a sophisticated style. Contemporary takes neutral palettes and gives them a twist of originality. Collections featuring contemporary style are the following: Contempo, Haven, and Hudson. Additionally, the customer may choose from our solids and sheers collection. A solid may be selected for a classic, subtle, or versatile look. Our rich fabrics, including faux silk and textured linens, are available in an array of colors from cool blues to rich reds and beyond. Select a sheer when a layered treatment is desired, and mix and match with any of our fabric selections to complete the style expression. We offer fabrics in the following types: sheers, faux silks, and linen blends. The second step when choosing Levolor custom draperies is selecting a drapery style. The customer needs to think about how they want their draperies to operate. If the customer wants to accentuate the draperies, they can layer a valance or cornice over them. The look can always be simplified by using a valance or cornice alone, whatever works best in the customer's room. The different drapery styles that we will cover are drapery and cornice and valances. If a customer decides to choose draperies, they can achieve many different custom looks and styles. All drapery panels are available in one-way single panel or split draw 2 panels, and with width sizes ranging from 12 to 181 inches and height sizes ranging from 16 to 144 inches. Customers can choose from many different drapery styles and options. These styles are as follows. First, there is pinch pleat. This style is recommended for use with a 1-inch diameter or larger metal or wood decorative pole for stationary treatments. A traversing rod may also be used to accommodate traversing panels. Pinch pleats are pre-pinned for easy installation and are available with 4-inch or 6-inch returns. On a split draw system, there will be 3.5 inches of overlap. Levolor offers 3 pinch pleat styles for the customer to choose from: standard pinch pleat, goblet pinch pleat, and European pinch pleat. There are several other drapery styles that the customer may choose from that are recommended as stationary panels. These styles are grommet top. Customers choosing this style may select from 3 grommet finishes of satin nickel, burnished brass, and black that coordinate with metal drapery hardware. Grommet sizes are 1 5/8 inches to accommodate rods up to 1 3/8 inches in diameter. Ring top style features smooth fabric folds and sewn-in drapery pins that may be attached to any decorative ring. Rod pocket style is available in 2 rod pocket sizes of 2 3/8 inches and 4 inches. 2 3/8 inch pockets will accommodate rods up to 1 3/8 inches in diameter. and 4-inch pockets are meant for rods up to 2 inches in diameter. This style also features a 1.5-inch standard header. Next, there is tie top. This style features ties that are 1/2 inch wide by 12 inches long and can accommodate rods up to 2 inches in diameter. Finally, there is tab top style. This style features fabric tabs that are 2 inches wide by 4 inches long for rods up to 2 inches in diameter. A competitive advantage of the Levolor custom drapery program is that all panels come standard with fullness built in. Fullness refers to the width of the fabric in relation to the curtain rod. Pleated, grommet, rod pocket, and ring top draperies come standard with 2 times fullness. Tie top and tab top draperies come standard with 1.5 times fullness. Also, all pleated and ring top draperies come standard with buckram, a non-woven material used for stiffening or shaping drapery headers that create a tailored, uniform look. When purchasing drapery panels, the customer has several choices. The first choice is draw control. The customer may select left draw, right draw, or split draw. If a customer is in need of a specific clear opening, please refer to the drapery stack back chart in the MSRP for that information. Next, if a customer has selected a pinch pleat style of drapery, they need to select their return length. The return length is the distance from the rod to the wall. A 4-inch return is usually selected for single layer treatments, or when the drapery is under a valance or cornice. 6-inch returns are used for double layer treatments, such as drapery over a sheer. All draperies, with the exception of sheers, include a lining at no charge. In addition to providing privacy and insulation, linings offer a fuller look and uniformity to the street side of the home. The drapery liner is available in off-white only. Another choice is centered around how the customer would like the finished drapery to look. There are 3 different finished heights to complement many decor styles. These heights are floor length, which comes 1/2 inch off the floor for a more traditional tailored look and is the best choice for traversing draperies. Trouser length, which breaks the floor and is recommended for use on stationary panels. The final type is puddle length, and this adds an extra 8 inches beyond the floor for a more dramatic look and should be used for stationary panels only. If a customer has selected a valance or cornice, they can use this as a standalone treatment or layered over draperies. All valances and cornices are board mounted and pre-styled for easy installation and are available with 4-inch or 6-inch returns. Valances are available in 3 styles and cornices are available in 2 styles. The first valance style is swag and cascades. This is a 5-fold swag standard. Swag heights will be 18 to 21 inches and the cascade height will be 36 inches. On valances, 36 to 48 inches in width, there will be 1 swag. There will be 2 swags on valances 48 to 72 inches in width. On valances 72 to 98 inches in width, 3 swags will be seen. Swags will have a standard white liner, while the cascades will be self-lined. Secondly, there is a contemporary pleat valance. This style is available in a height of 14 to 18 inches and width of 36 to 98 inches. The final valance choice is the traditional pleat valance. Like the contemporary pleat valance, this style is available in a height of 14 to 18 inches and widths of 36 to 98 inches. Next, we move into the cornice choices. Customers may select either a straight or stepped cornice. Both cornices come 16 inches in height and are available from 36 to 98 inches in width. On the stepped cornice, the height at the long point is 16 inches, while the height at the short point is 14 inches. The third and final step in the selling process is directing the customer to choose their Carefree options. There are several options that are offered that can truly customize a Levolor drapery. Fabric tiebacks are available to keep panels in place and add an additional element of style. Tiebacks allow light to filter into the room and must be ordered from the same fabric collection and color as the drapery. Customers will receive 2 tiebacks when ordering split draw draperies and 1 tieback for a one-way right or left draw drapery. It is very important to note that tiebacks must be ordered at the time of the drapery purchase. Pieced panels are another beautiful option that the customer may select. A pieced panel is where the customer may choose a different color for the bottom 1/3 of the drapery panel. This is a great way to combine colors in a single treatment. Pieced panels are available in secret silk, shy-tongue, slubby, and linen plain fabrics. If tiebacks are ordered with pieced panels, the tieback will be the same fabric as the top or majority fabric. Extra fabric may also be available for order by the yard, allowing customers to coordinate a look throughout the entire room. Fabric may be used for decorative pillows, tablecloths, and other decorative accessories. Fabric yardage must be ordered at the same time as the drapery purchase. There is a 1-yard minimum order and a 5-yard maximum. Fabric is available in whole yard increments only. Now that we have covered the 3 steps needed to guide the customer towards the Levolor custom drapery purchase that is right for them, we can discuss cleaning, measuring, competitive advantages, and using the Levolor custom drapery book and selling guide. In regards to cleaning, Levolor custom draperies are crafted from high-quality fabrics for durability and ease of cleaning. A brush-type vacuum attachment or feather duster should be used for regular maintenance. If your drapery should become stained, you may clean it by dabbing the spot with a sponge dampened with lukewarm water. Avoid contact with window cleaning products as they may discolor your drapery. Ultrasonic cleaning and dry cleaning are not recommended, nor are they covered by our warranty. All Levolor custom draperies, valances, and cornices are pre-styled, ready to hang. All pleated and ring-top drapery panels come pre-pinned, and all valances and cornices come board-mounted for easy installation. For all drapery-style products, we recommend Levolor or Kirsch drapery hardware. Drapery hardware is a great way to add finesse to the room, bringing elements together throughout the space. Accentuating draperies and styles, the right hardware can be the difference between the customer being just happy with a room and absolutely loving it. There are options to match and embellish every style. Plus, Levolor is the leader in drapery hardware and known for unbeatable quality, stylish finishes, and finial designs. For drapery panels layered under valances or cornices, we recommend using basic hardware, as it will be concealed under the top treatment. The first drapery styles that we will address are the standard pinch pleat and European pinch pleat headings. We recommend a pole of at least 1 inch in diameter or larger. Decorative metal, decorative wood, decorative traverse rods, and standard traverse rods are all recommended for these styles. Next, we have the goblet pinch pleat and ring top drapery panels. These styles are also recommended for a decorative wood or metal pole 1 inch in diameter or larger. Then there is the grommet top style. The recommended pole diameter for this style is up to 1 3/8 inches. This style is recommended for decorative metal poles. After the grommet top style, there are rod pocket draperies. With this drapery, there are 2 sizes of pocket, 2 3/4 inch pocket for rods up to 1 3/8 inches, and a 4-inch pocket for rods up to 2 inches in diameter. Both decorative metal and decorative wood poles are recommended, as well as basic rods. Finally, we have tab top and tie top draperies. These are recommended for both decorative wood and decorative metal poles up to 2 inches in diameter. When using existing drapery hardware, it is necessary to know the number of rings that are needed. Please refer to the recommended drapery hardware ring chart on page 14 of the custom drapery MSRP for the proper number of rings to use. Now let's take a look at measuring. A key part in the successful installation of the product is proper measuring. Measuring for a Levolor custom drapery is similar to that of measuring for a Levolor custom vertical blind. Let's take a look at the different ways to measure for a custom drapery to ensure that the consumer achieves their ideal look. All drapery styles come with the appropriate fullness built in. All that the customer needs to tell us is the area that they want their drapery to cover, and we will add the additional measurements to create the right look. The measurement that is specified for the drapery will be the same as the rod width. Begin by measuring the window width from opening to opening or molding to molding. Add a minimum of 8 inches or 4 inches on each side to allow the treatment to extend beyond the window frame. If the panels need to completely clear the glass when open, use the stack back chart. This is highly recommended for larger windows. Stack back is the amount of wall space needed if open panels are to clear the glass completely. This dimension, added to the window opening, gives you the proper rod width. An easy way to determine your rod width is to begin by measuring the window opening and then consult the stack back chart on page 14 of the MSRP. Find the opening measurement and read across the chart for the correct rod width. Next, there is measuring drapery height. To determine the height, decide where you want to place your drapery rod. A general guideline is to install a minimum of 4 inches above the window opening or molding. But if the customer would like to make their windows appear larger, the rod can be mounted closer to the ceiling. Measure from the top of the drapery hardware to the floor or desired location. Then decide the height option that meets the customer's style and functional needs. That first height option is floor. Positioned 1/2 inch off the floor, this is recommended for pleated styles that will be traversed. Measure from the top of the rod to the floor and subtract 1/2 inch. Next, there is trouser. This breaks at the floor. This is recommended for stationary panels only. Measure from the top of the rod to the floor and take no deductions. Finally, there is puddle. This adds an extra 8 inches of length and is recommended for stationary panels only. Measure from the top of the rod to the floor and add 8 inches. Next, there is measuring cornices and valances. All styles come board mounted, so order the exact width needed. For single treatments with no drapery underneath, measure the window width from opening to opening or molding to molding and add approximately 1 inch per side for clearance. For a double layer treatment with a valance or cornice over the drapery or outside mounted blind, first calculate the finished drapery or blind width and then add 1 inch per side for clearance for the cornice or valance. Finally, we have measuring cornice or valance height. All styles are recommended to be installed a minimum of 4 inches above the window opening or molding. Height is measured from the top of the valance or cornice to the bottom. For traditional pleat or contemporary pleat valances, select 14 or 18 inches in height. Recommendations for height to achieve proper scale and proportional appearance are 14-inch height is recommended for 8-foot ceilings, and 18-inch height is recommended for 9-foot or higher ceilings. All cornice styles have a set height of 16 inches. Swag and Cascades have 2 tiers of preset heights. The Swag long point range is from 18 to 21 inches. The Cascade long point is 36 inches. Next, we have the competitive advantages of the Levolor Custom Drapery program. Levolor offers a wide variety of fabrics and styles at a value price point. Our complete retail experience offers associate assistance, in-store display, sample book, and swatches. All of this from the most recognized name in window fashions. Unlike our competitors, liners and shipping costs are not additional surcharges, but come standard with the original purchase price. All of these features, including an industry standard 4 to 6 week ship time, make Levolor Custom Drapery an easy choice. Let's take a look at the Levolor Custom Drapery Sample Book and Selling Guide. Upon opening the Levolor Custom Drapery book, you will find our easy-to-use selling guide located on the left-hand side. This guide is a quick reminder for both associates and customers of our easy 1, 2, 3-step selling process. Beginning with step 1, choosing your fabric. Fabric information is located on the left, followed up by our 4 fabric categories on the right. The next page moves into step 2, which is choosing your drapery style. There is a nice snapshot of all of the different panel style headings on the right-hand side. This is accompanied on the back of the page by all of our cornice and valance options. Also, to the right of this is a page that will take the customer through the different height options that are available and returns. Next, we move into step 3, which is choosing your Carefree options. Here we put focus on our tiebacks, pieced panels, and fabric by the yard. Finally, there is a quick measuring guide on the right-hand side. Now let's move over into our actual fabric swatches. All fabric swatches are grouped by tab in their collection name. The beginning of the collection shows beautiful room scene photography that really captures this fabric collection in its trend style. Beginning with a signature print swatch and then moving into companion prints and coordinating solids. Each fabric collection is complete for a beautiful finished room. This same manner is repeated through the entire fabric collection. Remember that consumers may always visit Levolor.com for complimentary fabric swatches. Once again, Levolor is offering designer style made easy with our 3-step selling process of choose your fabric, choose your drapery style, and choose your Carefree options. Thank you for spending the time to learn about the Levolor Custom Drapery program. If you have any questions, please contact your training partner. Thank you.